Retro recently completed a full re-clad project in the East Auckland area. Our in-house architect and LBP builder helped the client from concept design through to the building consent and obtaining the code of compliance at completion. Proper design and project planning resulted in a beautiful home with a few new features. All the old dated joinery was replaced with modern double glazed aluminium units. We also installed bifold doors in the living areas to achieve a flow to the outside onto the new deck. A mix of James Hardie linear and oblique cladding was used to accent the building features. And the two-tone paint finish made this home look fresh and modern. This is yet another project we at Retro Construction are super proud of. Be sure to give us a call if you are planning on building or renovating.